Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The Essential Travel Tips, our destination for you today. It's the top 20 cheap flight secrets for 2025. Traveling can be one of the most enriching experiences, but the cost of flights often stands as a major barrier for many. Fortunately, there are several strategies and little-known secrets that can significantly lower the price of your airfare, allowing you to explore the world without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your trips, knowing how to find cheap flights is a game changer. By leveraging a combination of timing, flexibility, and smart searching techniques, you can uncover deals that seem almost too good to be true. In this guide, we'll walk you through some of the most effective strategies for securing affordable airfare, from booking tricks and flexible travel dates to using hidden city tickets and reward programs. With the right approach, you can transform your dream destinations into reality at a fraction of the cost. Let's dive into these cheap flight secrets and start saving on your next adventure. Here's your top 20 cheap flight secrets for 2025. 1. Book early. Airlines typically release fares about 6 to 12 months in advance, but the best prices are often found 6 to 8 weeks before departure. This is when airlines typically offer sales, and the prices are still relatively low. 2. Use incognito mode. When you search for flights, websites track your searches, and prices can rise if the system notices you're repeatedly checking. Using an incognito browser window prevents websites from saving your browsing history, potentially keeping prices lower. 3. Set price alerts. Websites like Google Flights, Kayak, and Skyscanner allow you to create price alerts. You can monitor fluctuations in ticket prices and get notified when they drop. This is especially useful for long-term planning. 4. Be flexible with dates. Flight prices can vary widely depending on the day of the week and the time of day. For example, flights on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays are often cheaper. Avoiding peak travel times like holidays and school vacations can save you money. 5. Consider alternative airports. Larger cities often have multiple airports, and flying into a less popular one may be cheaper. For instance, flying into London Gatwick or Stansted instead of Heathrow could save you money. You can then take public transport or a shuttle to your final destination. 6. Use budget airlines. Airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, or Southwest Airlines may offer lower base fares, but watch out for additional charges for luggage, seat selection, or food. Check what's included before booking. 7. Look for connecting flights. Non-stop flights are convenient, but tend to be more expensive. Connecting flights, especially on different carriers, can often be significantly cheaper. Be sure to check the total travel time and layover length before booking. 8. Use airline miles or points. If you accumulate miles through a frequent flyer program or credit card rewards, consider redeeming them for discounts or free flights. Some programs also allow you to use miles for upgrades, which can make a cheaper ticket feel like a premium experience. 9. Sign up for airline newsletters. Airlines sometimes offer exclusive deals to their email subscribers before they release them to the general public. Signing up can give you access to flash sales, discount codes, and promotions. 10. Clear your cookies. Websites track your searches using cookies, which can result in higher prices after repeated visits. Clearing cookies, using a VPN, or browsing in incognito mode prevents websites from tracking you and potentially raising prices based on your search history. 11. Fly during off-peak seasons. Airfares are generally higher during peak travel seasons. If you can travel during the off-peak seasons, you'll have access to cheaper tickets and fewer crowds. 12. Use multi-city search engines. Sites like Google Flights or Skyscanner let you search for flights with multiple stops or open-jaw tickets. Sometimes combining multiple destinations into one trip can save you money. 13. Check nearby cities. Instead of flying directly to your destination, check whether nearby cities have cheaper flights. For example, flying into Milan and taking a train to Venice might be cheaper than flying directly to Venice. Budget airlines often offer great deals between European cities. 14. Book round-trip flights. Airlines often offer discounts for booking round-trip tickets rather than one-way tickets. Even if you're only flying one way, it can sometimes be cheaper to book the round-trip ticket and simply not use the return flight. 15. Check for student discounts. Many airlines, especially international ones, offer student discounts or special student fares. Websites like Student Universe and STA Travel specialize in discounted flight options for students and young travelers. 16. Consider hidden city ticketing. This is a risky method, but it can save money in some cases. Hidden city ticketing involves booking a flight with a layover at your destination and not flying to the final stop. For example, booking a flight from New York to San Francisco via Chicago, then getting off in Chicago. Be aware, though, that this violates most airline policies and can result in canceled return flights or penalties. 17. Use travel reward credit cards. Travel rewards credit cards allow you to earn points or miles for every dollar you spend. These points can be redeemed for flights or upgrades. Some cards also offer sign-up bonuses that can be worth hundreds of dollars in travel credit. 18. Fly at odd hours. Flights during times when most people don't want to travel, early morning or late night, are usually cheaper. Plus, airports tend to be less crowded, making for a more relaxed experience. 19. Use meta search engines. Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Momondo aggregate information from multiple sources, helping you compare flight prices from various airlines and booking platforms. These sites can also help you find hidden deals and track historical pricing trends. 20. Book in bulk. If you're traveling with a group of people, check if any airlines offer group discounts. Some airlines provide discounts for booking 10 or more tickets at once, which can add up to significant savings. By combining several of these strategies, you'll have a much better chance of scoring cheap flights and making your travel budget go further. Have a nice trip.